7 million tons of lithium are now in China's hands. This country is choking the supply, driving up costs, and putting pressure on every automaker. But does that even matter for Elon Musk now? Probably not. This man already knows the lithium era is over, and the next, Gen Tesla cars will be powered by the same stuff holding your Coke can right now, aluminum. Yes, the Tesla 2026 super aluminum ion battery is finally here as a triple threat tech weapon. Faster, smarter, and completely free of Chinese materials. That's why Musk's never been more confident.
So what really matters is, can we be much faster than everyone else? Can our product be done a few years ahead before theirs and be better?
Tesla's got secrets, and we've got the scoop. Are you already curious about what superior features are that only aluminum batteries have? Where will they be manufactured, and how will they become the 30 million Chinese EV killer? We'll break all that down in today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and help AutoGearshift cross 7,123 subscribers before diving into. Why is the 2026 super aluminum ion battery a 3-in-1 breakthrough? Because that's exactly what Tesla claims for once. Let's start with range, because this battery doesn't play by yesterday's rules. Forget the 300-mile standard range. With Tesla's aluminum ion cell restructured using ultra-thin bilayer graphene anodes, the battery now pushes volumetric energy density to over 1,420 watt-hours per liter. That means a compact 55 kilowatt-hour pack can drive a Tesla Model 2.5 for over 820 miles on a single charge in real world, for example, highway driving. That's Los Angeles to Seattle without stopping once. And what makes the breakthrough? This isn't done by increasing the battery's size. It's done by reducing the internal resistance of each cell to nearly 0 ohms, eliminating micro losses that plague lithium-ion packs. For daily users, especially older drivers who fear getting stranded, this means less charging, more freedom, and never needing to worry about where the next station is. But range alone doesn't make a revolution. What really sets this battery apart is how intelligently it uses that power. What if your battery were smart enough to know how much power you actually need and only deliver that, conserving its own life with each mile? That's what Tesla's 2026 aluminum-ion battery introduces, with a feature called Dynamic Self-Balancing Power Clusters, or DSPC. Here's how it works. Instead of pushing power evenly across all cells like traditional packs, the DSPC system divides the battery into dozens of autonomous microclusters, each with its own microcontroller and power distribution logic. Let's say you're just driving 2 blocks to the store. The battery doesn't fire up its entire 55 kilowatt-hour capacity. Instead, only the exact amount of energy needed is released, maybe from just 2 or 3 clusters. Heading on a long trip? All clusters gradually activate based on terrain, elevation, and your driving pattern in real time, managed by a localized version of Tesla's neural AI. The benefits are profound. It reduced internal stress on each cell, extended battery health by over 30%, and the big one, it is an instantaneous backup reallocation. And finally, let's talk about what everyone's afraid to admit: degradation. Every EV owner fears the day their battery starts slipping, especially when a replacement can cost upwards of $11,000. But Tesla's 2026 battery uses solid-state edge reinforcement, a new design that suppresses dendrite formation, which is the microscopic needle-like structures that kill lithium batteries from the inside out. And when you layer that with self-regulating microthermal layers, you get a pack that operates from nearly -45 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit without active thermal systems. That means less complexity, more durability, and no fear of winter or summer extremes. Now brace yourself. This battery is rated for over 15,000 full charge cycles. That's more than 4 million miles of use. Yes, you heard right. This pack could power a car from Earth to the moon and back 8 times. So when Tesla calls the 2026 aluminum-ion battery a 3-in-1 breakthrough, it's not a slogan, it's reality. More range, more intelligence, more life. Wouldn't you call that the moment Tesla wins? Drop a comment below with the words Tesla wins if you believe this 3-in-1 aluminum-ion battery is truly mind-blowing. 2. Why is the Cold Forge battery factory the real threat to China, not the battery itself? While the world was watching Giga Texas and Giga Nevada, Elon Musk quietly launched Cold Forge 1, a facility so advanced, so ruthlessly efficient, it threatens to do what no trade war or political alliance ever could: make China irrelevant in battery production. Why Alaska? At first, it sounds insane, but the cold, harsh landscape is actually the genius behind it. The new aluminum-ion cells need rapid cooling during the forging process, and instead of burning energy for refrigeration like in Shanghai or Shenzhen, Cold Forge uses Alaska's natural sub-zero environment to do it almost for free. It's a move that cuts total energy costs by more than 70%. And when paired with the region's geothermal and hydroelectric energy, the factory achieves near-zero emissions with near-zero Chinese materials. Meanwhile, when it comes to aluminum, there is no arguing that America will completely regain energy independence. The US already produces 1.7 million metric tons of aluminum annually, and with modern upgrades, that number can expand to 5 million within 5 years. Even more importantly, there's already 1.5 million metric tons of aluminum in the strategic reserve, just sitting, waiting, unused. That's mean when Tesla shifts to aluminum-ion batteries, they can mine, process, and manufacture all on themselves, reducing the dependence on imports from China to just 5%. And the results are nothing short of devastating for China. By early 2027, Cold Forge is on track to mass-produce Tesla's aluminum-ion battery packs for under $45 per kilowatt-hour. That's not just cheaper, that's a full 65% lower than the average cost of lithium-ion batteries made in Shenzhen, which still sit around $131 per kilowatt-hour today. This isn't a gentle disruption. It's a brutal price war that China simply cannot win, especially when its own supply chain still depends on coal-fired plants and fragile trade routes. 4. How could this kill 30 million Chinese EVs before they even hit the market? While China continues to churn out lithium-based EVs by the millions, Tesla is quietly flipping the equation. By 2027, when aluminum-ion battery production will truly drop below $45 per kilowatt-hour, compared to lithium-ion's average of $120, the cost of each Tesla will drop by $10,000. Taking the ripple effect, a 20% drop in EV pricing could shrink China's global EV exports by up to 15 million units annually by 2030, as markets in Europe, North America, and Australia shift demand toward faster, safer, cleaner vehicles. Think about your own pain points. Who wants to wait 40 minutes to charge a Chinese EV when a Tesla charges in 10 minutes? Why buy something outdated when Tesla offers more speed, more safety, and now for a better price? But the price and performance are only half the story. Geopolitics is doing the rest. As the aluminum-ion supply chain localizes across North America and Europe, Chinese EVs face new tariff walls, stricter security scrutiny, and rising distrust. We've already seen exports from China to Europe drop 10% in 2024 due to policy backlash, and that's before Tesla's Cold Forge batteries even hit the mass market. And while Tesla is 3 years ahead in aluminum-ion patents, China's battery R&D remains stuck in lithium dependency. They're racing on a track that's already closed. And then comes the perception factors. Tesla's aluminum-ion cells are not just cleaner to produce with 50% lower carbon footprint, 90% lower fire risk, but they also align with the very values today's EV buyers care most about: safety, sustainability, and real innovation. So now ask yourself, when the choice is between a cheaper, faster, American-made Tesla and a Chinese EV with older tech, which one flies off the lot, and which one sits unsold, gathering dust? In the end, the aluminum battery isn't just another upgrade. It's the shift that could take power out of Beijing's hands and put it back into ours. And nobody's more confident leading that charge than Elon Musk. Are you ready for the next wave of Teslas running on that breakthrough battery technology? Stay electric. See you in the next videos.